All right, YouTubes. I got 2 calls, separate places for prep tables down. We got a prep table down. So let's see what we get into. And I'll bring you guys along for the journey. 2 prep tables down. Condensing unit's not running. I gauged up on it. We'll have to see where we're at as far as when I get it running, but maybe we got a bad thermostat. Okay, thermostat time. This one's done. Kind of turn the powder. Little chunk of Titus. All right, we're running. I think it's gonna need gas. Multiple offender, deluxe. Oh, Tippins, not again, dude. Come on. There you go. That's better. Oh yeah, the buggo. Hello, buggo. This one's had some work on it before from old NorCal Dave. The old 3-in-1, but it is thermaled out and it is hot. Let's see if I get it cooled off. I cleaned this coil out, it was so dirty. Cooled the compressor off, see all the water and stuff down in here. Didn't sound right, put a bullet valve on, and look, plug cap tube. Right there, plug cap tube with Titus. Pluggered. That one there, plug cap tube. So, for you new guys, if you're watching the channel, oh look, there's an old NorCal magnet. I keep those for when I work downtown. I can put it on the outside of the van, and I usually don't get a parking ticket because then it's considered a commercial vehicle. So for you new guys, you can't go in there and rip it apart while they're at the dinner rush. Look, parking lot's filling up. So I just scheduled it. So I scheduled it for Saturday morning. I'm gonna have them use ice tubs in the meantime, and then every night they're gonna break that thing down and put it in the walk-in box, and then rebuild it every morning till Friday. Then Saturday morning I'm gonna come in. I'll try and get the GoPro strapped on my head or something for you guys for some more video. And I got to do the cap tube. The compressor's still alive. It's running in a vacuum, as you saw my gauge shot. It's still alive, pumping in a vacuum. Cap tube's plugged because the condenser got all dirty and it got hot, and that's what they do. So new dryer, new cap tube, big old vacuum, and a new charge on Saturday, and hopefully it all works. If it doesn't work, I'm screwed. All right, stay tuned. We'll make it a 2-parter. That's the end of part 1. Oh, listen to that, Harley Davidson, brother.